Hi, I'm Chris Carrere. I'm a sales professional here at Yacht Sales in Anna Maria, Florida. There's a couple of types of people that can be really successful in this business. And at the end of the day, it's probably a blend of both is best. But some folks are just born natural and trained, educated for sales and are really, really good at sales. On the other hand, probably the most successful people I know in this business have come from either being a mechanic or being a captain or being a crew or being somewhere from the boating industry. Because quite honestly, especially in the sport fish world, a lot of times our clients know just as much, if not more, about the boat than you do. And because they're highly educated, they're passionate about sport fishing, they're passionate about boats, and the way I bring value to my clients, hopefully, is through my experience. Not only, being a captain, but through my experience in fishing. I think I do best with clients, quite honestly, when we're out on the boat, when we're fishing, when I'm running their boat, when I'm, a crew for them, or when I drive the boat and spend time with their crew. That's the atmosphere that I believe I'm most successful in.